Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe Update today. And Pepe seems as if it's doing something really, really good. And there are some few things that I want to see happen at the moment. And number one is that you have made a break and a retest. So what is this break and what is that retest? Well, I'm going to show you right now. And you have this little bit of inverse head and shoulder. And you can already see that you've broken above. You were rejected, you went down. You got rejected 2 times a year, you went down again. Now you've broken above, you're coming down, and you can see the retest is actually pretty successful to me because 4-hour time frame shows that there's a very good closing on Pepe. Look at that, all right? So you came down, you were making the retest, and then you popped to the upside. And now I think it's actually safe to say that 744 is going to be a new stop losses, because if you come under 744 and you close below 744, then unless it's not a fake out, then that's going to be a very bad place to be. We might even see a push to the downside to even 587. If you lose that, you may actually end up going down to 469 one more time. So that's all for the quick update, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.